No, the dreaded chirping of a dead smoke alarm. I stand here long enough and wait. Nope, not this one. Come on, hurry up, chirp. Not this one either.
Seriously?
Okay, now I'm starting to get mad.
I could have told you it wasn't these ones.
You could have told me a little sooner.
So, and we're not going to have the right batteries, are we?
No, we got a whole pile of those 9-volt batteries.
Well, I can't find them.
Not in here we don't.
Well, they're probably over here then, because remember, we ended up with twice as many as what we needed.
Well, then you just go ahead and find them, because they're not here. Not here either!
This one, and it's over there.
Okay, how about you stand by those two, you stand by those three, and I'll stand by this one.
All right, this plan better work, because I've had about enough.
It's not here.
Well, it's not in here.
It's not funny anymore. Okay, if I take the battery out of this one, maybe I can tell. How's it still going off? There's no battery in it! What the?
Well, so right here's the batteries that you claimed that we didn't have any of.
No way.
Are you serious?
I didn't see it.
Laying right on top?
I'm old, my eyesight's going bad, sorry.
I mean, seriously, right here.
Seriously, I didn't see it. Well, at least it's working.